and all guests. Welcome to our Children's Presentation 2026. Thank you for being here with us today. For parents who are still outside, we kindly ask you to come in and find your seats so we can enjoy the show together.
Parents and guests, today feels so special. It's the day filled with joy and celebration, and we are honored and happy to welcome all of you together to this year's children's presentation.
Kami mengucapkan selamat datang kepada yang terhormat Ibu Everdina Aulele sebagai Wakil Direktur Sekolah Noah, yang terhormat Mr. Carl Ryan Osia sebagai Head of School Sekolah Noah, yang terhormat Ibu Charlina Ferawati selaku Kepala SD Noah,
parents, guests, representative from the Yayasan, teachers and staff, good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
We're very happy to see you here this afternoon to showcase the skills of our students. And also with that, we would like to celebrate the diversity, the rich culture of Indonesia. Research shows that the best way to develop the young minds of the students is through holistic education. And in Sekolah Noah, we believe that the arts and performing in music are vital parts of this holistic education.
Of course, I would like to congratulate all the production team, all the teachers and staff, because this is the last session. We need to give ourselves a big applause first. Marende, and then dancing and also acting. Hora semuanya, thank you.
Terima kasih Ibu Lina atas kata sambutan yang telah diberikan.
parents and guests. Before the show begins, we would like to inform you that the story being presented is an adaptation of the original and has been modified for the purpose of children's presentation. Driven by destiny and life lessons, the story takes us on a journey filled with values of honesty, patience, and responsibility. Will the promise be kept? Or will it change everything? Alright, parents and all guests, without overdue, we proudly present our Children's Presentation 2026, The Legend of Lake Toba, Beyond the Broken Vow.
North Sumatra, where misty highlands rise and deep blue lake rests in silence. Stories are born, passed from the elders to children. These tales carry culture, wisdom, and hope. They are far more valuable than gold.
You're early too. Good morning, Wati. I couldn't wait for today's lesson. Same here. I heard that Miss Rani had a surprise for us.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Miss Rani.
Come here, everyone.
Kaki kecil berlari ke sana kemari sambil tertawa ria. Kedua tangannya diayun kiri kanan. Hari ini bahagia terbias di wajahnya. Kita buat hari ini penuh berkumpul bersama teman dan bersenang-senang. La 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 la. La 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 la. Pembawa awal di atas bintang-bintang bersama. Semua bidadari turut bernyanyi riang. Ingin kau pergi ke sana, terbang bersama kupu-kupu, bermain pelangi bersama dewa-dewi. Sebuah bintang dan bawalah pulang.
Muncul centil yang tidak dapat duduk tenang. Pinggulnya selalu goyang. Dia berjanji nanti malam akan datang bersama teman-teman menari jaipongan.
Letak untuk kendakkan. La 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 la. La 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 la. Pembawa awal di atas bintang-bintang bersama. Semua bidadari turut bernyanyi riang. Kita pergi ke sana, terbang bersama kupu-kupu, bermain pelangi bersama dewa-dewi. Semua bintang dan bawalah pulang. Semua bintang dan bawalah pulang. Berikan kepada rumah tersayang.
Today, we will not just learn. This book holds stories that live in the soul of our country, Indonesia, rich in islands, in people, in culture, and in legends. Today, we shall read one of them together. This, my dear students, is the legend of Lake Toba.
That's my hometown. Lake Toba is in North Sumatra.
Perhaps Sondang can help us see the lake through her imagination. But every one of you will help us bring this legend to life. We will read this story together, one by one. Start from you.
Once upon a time, in a valley surrounded by a tall mountain, there lived a humble farmer named Toba. Miss, what's happening?
Imagination, Wati. This is what happens when the story comes alive.
And so, let the story begin.
Hey, Sondang, look! The story just started. So now we're in North Sumatra.
Toba, my grandmother said that he was hardworking and humble. He lived in the beautiful land of North Sumatra.
Far in the northern land of Sumatra, where mountains guard a great lake, there lived a young man named Toba. He worked every day in the fields, tending to the land with patience and heart. Pagi-pagi begini udah agak mendung aja, tapi ladang tetap panggil. Nasib, toba.
Hei, coba mau ke ladang aja kau hari gini?
Iya, kau tak lihat cuaca agak mendung gini. Biasanya ikan banyak muncul di danau. Ayolah kita mancing. Kalian ini tiap hari mancing aja. Tapi ya kalau cuaca begini mungkin udah juga. Ayolah, siapa tahu hari ini nasib baik kita datang.
Nah, gitu dong. Mancing kita di danau dengan kaki bukit itu. Airnya tenang kali.
Tenang kau bilang. Kalau ngerap ikan paling dapat nyamuk.
Coba mau naik tuh dia, tuh ladang, mana tuh danau?
Ke danau aja lah kita. Cuacanya lagi pas banget nih.
Hahaha, dan salah kalau jaga-jaga udah jualan lihat keberes lagi.
Toho doi, jangan lupa pulang kau ya Toba. Mudah-mudahan kau dapat ikan yang besar supaya nanti kita bisa dapat makan yang enak.
Amin. Horas Madita.
Ora
staying beneath the hill, the castellans and waited, believing that patience would bring them luck.
Wow! What a beautiful and enchanting place! Everything is green! This place feels peaceful. This is Northern Sumatra in the past, where the forests were lush and the air was fresh.
Hebat kali kalian, tapi kenapa umpanku tak disentuh sikit pun?
As the day passed, the sun sank behind the hills. Togar and Tir left with joy, their baskets full. Meanwhile, Tobas remained empty.
Embel Toba masih bersih seperti baru dicuci.
Mungkin ikannya takut lihat muka seriusnya. Ah, kalian ini dari tadi kerja kalian cuma ketawa. Mungkin rezekiku belum datang, itu saja.
Atau mungkin ikannya sudah janji sama aku duluan.
Sudahlah Togar, mungkin ikannya belum rezekinya hari ini.
Iya maaf, aku cuma bercanda. Masogot lo kita muset. Dah, pasti godang dapet itu sahalio.
Kalian duluanlah pulang. Aku coba sebentar lagi saja. Siapa tahu rezeki malam.
Ya sudah, kami duluan ya. Kalau dengar suara aneh, langsung saja lari ya.
Jangan terlalu dipaksakan Toba. Ingat, rezeki bukan cuma soal ikan.
The night deepened. Toba stayed by the lake alone. The moonlight smeared on the surface. Silent, endless, waiting.
Aduh, ikan emas. Langka kali ini. Tolong, jangan bawa aku, Toba. Hah? Apa itu? Ikan bicara? Aduh, ini mimpi kah aku?
Doho, aku Tiomas, jelmaan putri ikan yang baru saja kau tangkap. Kau berhati baik, jadi aku akan membalas kebaikanmu.
Membalas? Bagaimana kalau kau tetap di sini?
Jika kau tetap ingin aku berada di dunia manusia, ada satu syarat, Toba.
Apapun itu, katakanlah, putri.
Sian berngini, hitam berjumpa. A fisherman and a magical maiden sealed a promise that would shape the destiny of Lake Toba. Mereka hidup bersama dan membina rumah tangga dengan bahagia. Years passed peacefully for Toba and Thomas. Their love blossomed
blossomed like the morning sun over the lake. And one joyful day, the home was blessed with the cry of a newborn child.
Hey Sonda, listen, is that a baby crying? Yes, it must be Toba and Putri's baby. This is when Samosir's born. Samosir, like the island's name? Exactly. In the legend, the boy's name becomes the name of the island, Pulau Samosir, in the middle of the Lake Toba. Amazing. Now let's see how it all starts.
Samosir, bagakian gorna.
Iya, dan semoga rajin nanti bantunya di ladang.
Kalau teh ngaroda, Eda, itu lasian rohana bisa dari aku. Anak ini adalah berkat dari langit dan air.
Selamat Tobat Mas. Aku dengar anakku lahir pagi ini.
Puji Tuhan, semoga bayi ini tumbuh sehat dan membawa kebahagiaan bagi keluarga.
Asatiur sawanari, rotang masawan bulan. Saya dapat menetajalahin, Cupangta, Natal.
Hebat Toto.
years passed. The people of the village shared in their joy. Songs and laughter filled the air, echoing across the shimmering lake.
Hey Sundam, look, that must be Samosir. He's grown up now. Yes, he's cheerful, full of life, and everyone loves him. But this is the day when the story takes a sad turn. A sad turn? Oh no, don't tell me he's going to do something wrong. You'll see, sometimes even a small mistake can change everything.
As little Samosir grew into a bright and playful boy, one more morning, his mother called him with love and trust.
Samosir? Samosir? Nak, sini tolong bantuin Nong dulu sebentar. Tolong antarkan makan siang ini untuk Among di ladang ya.
Iya Inong, akan Samosir antar cepat-cepat. Among pasti lapar kan?
Yunda, unang marmeyang-meyang udah Tony, langsung taruhan tomongmu.
Halo Inong, butaru honpe.
Hati-hati di jalan ya.
Samosir, ayo main layangan. Anginnya bagus sekali hari ini. Iya, cepat. Kau jago kali main layangan, kan?
Ayo cepat Samosir, teman-teman lain udah menunggu.
Aduh, tapi Inong suruh aku antar ini ke Amongku di ladang. Sebentar saja, habis itu kau lanjut. Betul, mana ada lama mainnya?
Kita kan udah lama tak main bersama Samosir. Ayolah.
Ya sudahlah, sebentar saja ya.
Pele sapele siriaria, maka jarumbo sitoho tu bariba, tukot jam, amani malotop, nadi bina malamu takut kau natata.
Sapele siriaria, mangaka jarupo sitoho tu bariba, tukot jam, amani malotop, nadi bina malamun aku gaul natata, angkiku meteng-meteng ibotoku matata. Sapele siriaria, mangaka jarupo sitoho tu bariba, tukot jam, amani malotop, nadi bina malamun aku gaul natata, angkiku meteng-meteng ibotoku matata. Ale ama lameo, tak seimbang badan loyo, anak nabur bonceng bu, buru tulang sini bo.
Apa? Begu. Apa? Gula. Apa? Apa? Hati. Apa? Pipa. Apa? Bangku. Apa? Upah. Apa? Bangku.
Sapele siriaria, mangaka jarupo sitoho tu bariba, tukot jam, amani malotop, nadi bina malamun aku gaul natata, angkiku meteng-meteng ibotoku matata. Sapele siriaria, mangaka jarupo sitoho tu bariba, tukot jam, amani malotop, nadi bina malamun aku gaul natata, angkiku meteng-meteng ibotoku matata. Ale ama lameo, tak seimbang badan loyo, anak nabur bonceng bu, buru tulang sini bo.
Apa? Bonceng. Apa? Tenggo. Apa? Bopek. Apa? Tenggo. Apa? Boleh. Apa? Tenggo. Apa? Rotan. Dan apa? Tandu.
Sapele sapele siriaria mangakan carupo sitowo tu bariba tu konco amani maloto nabi bina malamun kaku gaul nakata angkiku meteng-meteng ibotoku matata sapele siriaria mangakan carupo sitowo tu bariba tu konco amani maloto nabi bina malamun kaku gaul nakata angkiku meteng-meteng ibotoku matata sapele ma siria-ria paso-paso na mardongan pangyan sian hula-hula tusa kotimus dao sianao rap hitam mardongan padengan molu-molu
Jujur mula di bada, bolus mula di dabe Serap may laban sa dasay mamora jala gabe Martumbur pabalingin, marga kahari Ara jika tahu lagu ini, mari nyanyi sama-sama
sapele siriaria mangakan carupo sitowo tu bariba tu konco amani maloto nabi bina malamun kaku gaul nakata angkiku meteng-meteng ibotoku matata sapele siriaria mangakan carupo sitowo tu bariba tu konco amani maloto nabi bina malamun kaku gaul nakata angkiku meteng-meteng ibotoku matata.
Time, like the wind, passes quickly when joy takes over. Samasir laughed and played, forgetting the promise he made. While in the other place, Toba was waiting for him.
kita, makan kita. Matahari udah tinggi nih.
Betul Toba, istirahatlah. Repot pula nanti kalau kau pingsan karena gak makan.
Kalian duluan aku tunggu anakku datang. Istriku pasti sudah siapkan makan siang yang enak.
Oh, oke lah kalau begitu.
Aina luka do haki tuau. Au karejo disan siap lagi. Ngajahian. Ale dangadong na mangingat au. Samosir, istriku, tega kali kalian ya. Aku ini berjam untuk kalian, tapi kalian malah buat aku lapar di ladang.
As the afternoon faded into dusk, the farmer's heart, once filled with patience and love, began to tremble with disappointment and hunger. The wind carried his sighs across the fields as destiny quietly approached.
No, this isn't happening. Sondang, couldn't you see? He's angry, like really angry.
Yes, remember what the princess said? If you break the promise, disaster will come. This is the time.
No, you're telling me this is the time to storm again?
Yes.
With heavy steps and a heart burning in anger, Toba walked home, the wind echoing his rage. His patience has dried up and hunger turned to fury.
Samosir nang disondo maramean, tabo dison ale au di ladang amale. Karejo sadarion, dang adong so.
Maaf, Omong. Samosir janji gak bakal gitu lagi.
Janji, lihatlah itu. Makanan yang seharusnya untuk saya habis dimakan kau dan teman-temanmu.
Tadi Samosir lapar, Omong. Cuma makan sedikit saja.
Dasar anak tak tahu diri. Memang kau bukan anak manusia sungguhan. Kau anak ikan. Ibumu yang jelmaan ikan.
And with those words, the vow was broken. The sky darkened, the wind howled, carrying the weight of a curse long forgotten.
Anak ikan, apa maksudmu, Omong?
Astaga, apa yang telah kuucapkan? Tunggu Samosir, Samosir tunggu, Samosir tunggu.
It's happening, Sonda. The sky is turning black.
Yes, this is the storm that changes everything. The story, it's coming alive.
desert fury, and the clouds gathered like shadows of grief. The earth trembled as if mourning the broken promise of man.
Mama Samosir, maafkan aku. Aku sudah melanggar sumpahku. Maafkan aku, Mama Samosir. Aku tak sengaja. Aku terbawa amarahku.
Kau ngapain kasih ke Clement sih? Asal kau tahu, dia kayak dia nanti mana? Mana?
Toba, badai akan datang. Apa yang kau lakukan di luar seperti ini?
Langit gelap kali. Toba, cepat masuk rumah. Tolongku kawan, cepat bawa Samosir ke bukit. Akan ada bencana yang datang.
Aku nggak mau pergi. Aku mau sama Mung dan Nino.
Tidak, Samosir pergilah sekarang sebelum semuanya terlambat.
Ayo, cepat. Samosir, kau harus selamat dulu.
Enggak, aku mau di sini.
Toba cepat, air danau sudah semakin dekat. Kami harus naik ke bukit. Pergilah anakku, selamatkanlah dirimu.
Air telah dipanggil, tak ada jalan kembali.
desperate plea for one's life to be spared, as the world he knew began to drown.
It's over, Sondang. The storm has passed, but my heart is still shaking. It feels like the earth is breathing again, slowly, carefully, as if it remembers the pain.
Yes, but it left behind something that can never fade away. A lake and a story that time will always remember. So the past does not disappear. And as for the future, it grows wiser than before.
Mungkinkah kau mampir hari ini, bila tidak mirip kau, jadilah bunga matahari yang tiba-tiba mengkali kamu, meski bicara dengan bahasa kumpulan, ceritakan padaku bagaimana tempat tinggalmu yang baru. Sungai-sungai terpanas, dihiasi dengan air susu. Jumpa dan mudah sakit-sakit karena orang-orang di sana mulai semua pertanyaan bukan jawaban, hanya gembira sering kau tertawa. Bilakah orang bilang memang suka bercanda? Mungkinkah kau mampir hari ini, bila tidak mirip kau, jadilah bunga matahari yang tiba-tiba mekar di taman, meski bicara dengan bahasa tubuh. Ceritakan padamu bagaimana hidupku tanpamu. Dia masih ada setiap waktu, aku menangis, aku bertutur, yang untuk sekarang sudah muncul, telah menyenangkan seperti katamu. Jadi hidup denganku suka-suka, saya kau ada di hatiku selamanya. Kau mampir hari ini, bila tidak mirip kau, jadilah bunga matahari. Mungkinkah kau mampir hari ini, bila tidak sekarang, janji kita pastikan bertemu lagi. When the storm finally rested, the world below had changed forever. The fields, the homes, the laughter, all drowned beneath the water's calm embrace. What remained was silence and a voice heartbroken by the lost.
Inong, kenapa kalian meninggalkan aku? Aku janji gak bakal nakal lagi.
Tidak usah menangis lagi. Abangmu dan inangmu pasti sudah tenang di bawah sana.
Benar itu Samosir, Among dan Inangmu pasti bangga padamu. Kau harus kuat karena kaulah harapan mereka.
Iya Samosir, lihatlah, dari kesedihan lahirlah keindahan. Dan kau harus kuat, karena kau satu-satunya harapan mereka.
Among dan Inongmu pasti sudah pergi dengan damai. Sekarang, hiduplah dengan kuat, agar cinta mereka tetap hidup lewat dirimu.
Come stop your crying, it'll be alright, alright. Just take my hand, hold it tight, hold it tight. I will protect you from all around you. I will be here, don't you cry. For one so small, you seem so strong. My arms will hold you, keep you safe and warm. This bond between us can't be broken. I will be here, don't you cry. 'Cause you'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore. Don't listen to them, 'cause what they know, we need each other, we have to hold. They'll see in time, I know. When destiny calls, we must be strong. I may not be weak, but we got to hold on. They'll see in time, I know. Show them together, 'cause you'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore. You'll be in my heart, no matter what they say. You'll be here in my heart, Just look over your shoulder. 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 I'll be there always.
Dari duka, lahirlah keindahan. Dan dari kehilangan, tumbuhlah sebuah legenda. Danau itu berkilau sepanjang zaman, menyimpan cinta, amarah, dan maaf. Dan anak lelaki yang dahulu menangis di bukit, kini dikenang selamanya sebagai jiwa dari Pulau Samosir, hati dari Danau Toba.
So, this is how it all began. A promise, a mistake, and love that turned to legend.
Yes, from this story, we learn never speak in anger and never break a promise once it's made.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Beautiful and timeless. May we remember that love, patience, and honesty are what keep the world at peace.
By the way, do you have any idea where Toba and Tiamas went after the storm?
Perhaps they went somewhere.
Somewhere?
Yes, somewhere only they know. tenanglah Toba. Di sini adalah tempat di mana hanya kita yang tahu.
Children, do you feel it?
Yes.
The sadness, the love, the lesson hidden in every word. Stories like these are not just tales. They are mirrors reflecting who we are, where we come from, and the promises that shapes our life. Each legend is the heartbeat of this land, a whisper from encounters carried through time to remind us that love, truth, and respect are sacred.
Then let's keep reading and dreaming. Let's keep the stories alive. Yes, when we imagine it together, we make the legends real again.
power to heal what we thought was broken. But every tale we carry can make us gentler, braver, and more willing to understand one another.
We are almost at the end of our children's presentation, The Legend of Lake Toba, Beyond the Broken Vow. They have practiced a lot and show us wonderful performance. Through this story, we learned that promise must be kept, words must be chosen wisely, and responsibility is a value we should always remember. And now, parents and all guests, we would like to give high appreciation and call all the performers to come on the stage. Please welcome parents. Give applause for Grade 6 Tidore. Grade 6 Tidore, please come to the stage and get ready to take a bow. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Thank you, Grade 6 Tidore. And next, parents, give applause for Grade 6 Ternate. Okay, Ternate. Please take a bow in count of 3. 3, 2, 1. Thank you, Ternate. And next, parents, give applause for Grade 6 Asma. Asma, please come to the stage. Hi to your parents. Okay, get ready, Grade 6 Asma. 3, 2, 1. And now, please welcome the last Grade 6, 6 Manokwari. Okay, Manokwari, get ready. 3, 2, 1. Well, parents, now let's give applause for Grade 5. Welcome, Grade 5 Bugis. Bugis, get ready to take a bow. 3, 2, 1. And now, please welcome 5 Gorontalo. Hi to your parents, Gorontalo. Get ready to take a bow. Okay, 1, 2, 3. And now, let's welcome 5 Minahasa. Give applause for 5 Minahasa. Okay, Minahasa, get ready. 3, 2, 1. And for the last Grade 5, give a big applause for Grade 5 Tondano. Okay, Grade 5 Tondano, get ready. 3, 2, 1. Thank you, Grade 5 and Grade 6. Now, please welcome all main cast, starting from Wati, Sondang, Misrani, Togar, and Tiur. Okay, Menkes. Get ready to take a bow. 3, 2, 1. And for the last Menkes, please welcome Toba, Samosir, and Tiomas. Give applause. Okay, Toba, Samosir. 3, 2, 1. Take a bow. Thank you, all main guests, parents, and all guests. As the closing and final performance of this event, all of them will sing together. But before that, we would like to invite Mr. Carl to come to the stage to give appreciation to the production team. This time is yours, Mr. Carl. We say goodbye. Let us give a round of applause to our talented performers, dedicated teachers, supportive parents, and everyone who made this event success. And now, they will sing a song, Pulau Samosir. Please welcome Pulau Samosir.
Samosir,